Alright, I am out here, out by my doctor's appointment. I'm out here hanging out with these birds. They got a bunch of birds, pigeons that they feed out here. It's badass. You can get pretty close to them. I'll show y'all. These are the birds. Pretty birds. Pretty birds. Pretty birds. Come to the camera. Pretty birds. Pretty birds. Pretty birds. Pretty birds. Y'all got all this motherfucking bread. Pretty birds. Ain't it cool? Come here. I would be your friend. I would talk to you and pet you and love you. Come here, pretty birds. Alright, that's enough of that shit.